And it goes a little something like.
I'm not exactly a Christmas cracker. I'm more of a seasonal slacker. I come off like a less green Grinch, and I won't bite my tongue, I won't budge an inch, 'cause there's so much to all.
So we are gonna go build a snowman. My name is Vidy for those who are new. I am in my car, so you're seeing some water in the view. I'm here with a baby, so it's pretty blizzardy out there. It's still snowing, so we're just gonna stay inside. Let me go ahead, guys. Hello. As you can see, he's just wearing some PJs, and I'll show you from the back. He is this chismoso. He is wearing his little jacket and then his little beanie. And I'm just wearing my beanie and my jacket and a sweater and some boots like last time. So go ahead, enjoy while we go ahead and make a snowman, and give it a thumbs up for some support, and subscribe if you guys are into more videos about family vlogs, or like a mom of 3 boys just sharing her lifestyle and sharing memories with everyone, and just to have something to look back to.
Organize, so many names to memorize, and here and the problem lies, I can't be bothered. Who's gonna buy the presents and decorate the tree? Ain't got time for Christmas or your family. Who's got room for carols to drink and be merry? Ain't got time for Christmas. Have you got time for me?
Look at that, there's dogs out there now. Ah. This is how bad it looks out there, you guys. It is a blizzard out there. Look at it. Look at it, look at you guys. It's snowing out there. Baby's hanging out here. Why am I? Hey.
I know I really push your buttons, complaining about all these nothings, but I can't socialize all week. That's too much time for me to be acting sweet, 'cause there's a growing shopping list and deadlines that I've missed. I'm a grump, you get the gist. Yeah, I can't be bothered. Who's gonna buy the presents and decorate the tree? Ain't got time for Christmas or your family. Who's got room for carols to drink and be merry? Ain't got time for Christmas. I know I'm acting like a party pooper, and you put up with me like a trooper. Can we fall into a drunken stupor? you on the sofa, surrounded by the presents and decorate the tree. Ain't got time for Christmas or your family. Who's got room for carols to drink or be merry? Ain't got time for Christmas. Have you got time for me?
Okay, you don't need to get all whiny, pal. Hey, look at the snowman! You guys see the snowman coming right here? We're gonna hit it.
Is that okay?
Okay?
There's a snowman. You go.
Yeah, it's like...
Well, like close.
Yeah, right, like that.
Okay.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Say bye-bye, snowman.
Bye, snowman. You think you kill it?
Yep,
Yeah,
yep,
we
he's
killed
dead. Bye-bye, snowman. It was fun while we made it, though, huh?
Yeah. It's gonna melt hell.
Alright, so did you guys want to go right?
Yeah. See where they went.
Please no.
Oh, this is a nice road back here, huh?
Yeah. See this road. Instead of the other road is.
Yeah, it looks nice, though.
Yeah.
I want that little car for Ken.
Oh, that's cute. Why are they just having this?
He's a hoarder. He has a bunch of shit outside his house.
He doesn't need.
Just piling it up.
That's not good.
Yeah,
And that's how they lose their home too.
yeah, some places, yeah. You know,
You're not allowed to hoard your house.
yeah.
Have you ever looked in the mirror and not seen yourself? Like you got lost somewhere along the way? Well, maybe you just need some help getting back. But that's not something they tell you these days. I never wanted to be that girl, but I'm stuck on this rural street, and my smile.
Good boys! Woo! Wait, man, wait, jeez. I like it, man, cause like we're like a cut, like always a customer in a way. I mean, not maybe not every day type thing or every week, but you know, like they know us cause this is the place we like to grab our donuts, man.
Yeah.
I
I think it's because of the snow. No one's good.
And I guess that's how they recognize me. I'm not actually here anymore. I've forgotten what I came here for. You with the bright eyes, I envy you. Cold and bitter, that's what I've come to. You with the bright eyes, I envy you. Cold and bitter, that's that's what I've come to. There's no one around